Hi, I'm Bob with Wolfe Ridge. Trade show season is here. We have 3 shows happening in the same week at the time of this video, and the guys in the factory have been very busy getting things ready. I want to show you guys what you can expect to see at some of these events. August 13th through August 15th, you'll be able to find the guys from Wolfe Ridge at the Wisconsin Farm Technology Days show in Cadott, Wisconsin. And on those same dates, Messick is working a show called Ag Progress Days at Pennsylvania Furnace, Pennsylvania. There they will have a ton of equipment, including a lot of the Wolfe Ridge products. And we have the show in Boonville, New York, the Woodsmen Field Days from August 16th through August 18th. Take a quick walk over by Final Assembly here. You can see a compact commercial getting put together. And over here we have a gray 28HO. This machine got ready just in time for the Boonville show, and actually this one is available yet. So this one could go home with you from the Boonville, New York show. You can expect to see one version of a 28 Pro at pretty much all of these shows. 28 Pro is one of our most popular machines. 28 tons, 16 gallon per minute pump, 10.5 second cycle time, and you can get it with auto cycle or electric start. Standard equipment on these is the hydraulic log lift and the hydraulic wedge. Here we've got a couple other 28 Pros starting final assembly. You can see this one has the auto cycle option, and there's one over here that would be the standard configuration without the auto cycle. Look at the welds on these and the shine in the powder coat, this red. At each one of these 3 events, you will be able to find a 28cc. This is a regular 28C, but then it has our optional hydraulic powered conveyor package on it. And this can be built as a 35C or a 28C. This one right in front of me is special because it is a custom color. This is an RAL code that a customer gave us, and the name of it is called Purple Red. You can see it's kind of a burgundy color. Looks really sharp. And this one is going to be at the Boonville, New York show on August 16th through 18th. And then you'll be able to find the red one at the Wisconsin Farm Technology Days show August 13th through 15th. And there is a gray one that just went down to Messick's, so you can find that one at the Ag Progress Days show August 13th through 15th. We've got a red VSC here that just came in to start the final assembly process on. This one will be with us in Boonville, New York. It is sold, but you can see it in our booth. This blue 28C compact commercial. This one will be at the Wisconsin Farm Technology Days show. And this one is also available to be picked up from the show. Here is a 17 RS with the auto cycle. The RS machines you can get with auto cycle or with the log lift, but you can't get both. So lately you may have seen some of our videos with the 17 RS and the log lifter on it. This one having the auto cycle on it obviously does not get the log lifter, and it gets this staging table instead. So this is a really great machine for resplitting things, for taking big chunks of firewood. You can have somebody stack up the big chunks right here and you can just keep resplitting. You got your auto cycle valve there. So this thing's got a 6-second cycle time, and don't let the 17 tons fool you. This thing's got a lot of power. That's a small preview of what we're going to have at these shows. I know that Messick has a whole bunch at their show. We will probably have 8 or 9 machines total at the Boonville show, and we'll have a conveyor on display there. This video will be coming out in the middle of both the Messick show and the Farm Tech show, but you'll see this before the Boonville show. There's a saying, seeing is believing, and that's true for these machines as well. I think photos and videos don't do these things justice. When you're able to get up close and see one in person and get your hands on it and run it, that really tells the true story of these things. And these trade shows are a great opportunity to do that. Many of the shows are free or have a low cost to get into, and you can actually put some logs through it. You can see the thing in person, see what its capabilities are, see what the build quality is. You can talk to us about these machines and other options that we have. It's a great way to meet and greet people in this industry as well. We've been continually working on our website to add products, to add events, to add information about our products. And if you go onto our website, you can look at the events tab and you can see all of these events, the information. We've got links to them, we've got the dates, and in the links you can see the times that the shows run, how much it costs to get in, where they are, and all that. If you'd like more information about any of the products, including pricing, configuration options, photos, videos, how-tos, and more, please check out our website, www.wolferidgemfg.com. Again, on the website, you can also find the events tab. And if you're looking to find out what's available to pick up from one of these shows to purchase on the spot, give us a call or send us an email. I'll make sure to put those links in the description. I want to thank you guys for watching. Thank you for the support. Hope to see you at some of these upcoming trade shows. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on what's next at Wolfe Ridge.